Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Python. Alright, let's get Python installed. Click on this link to download Python from python.org. Click here if you are using macOS. If you are using Windows, you should install from this link. Okay, now let me install. Okay. Continue, agree. Install, password, install, moving items, running package scripts, and the install time remaining less than a minute. Now we have installed Python. Let us install Visual Studio Code. Okay. Here's the link. If you're using Windows, then install the Windows version. If you're using Mac OS, then install the Mac version from here. Okay, waiting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New... No, I'm just kidding. VS Code. Visual Studio Code. Great job installing the Visual Studio Code. Let us drag and drop the Visual Studio Code to the application folder. In this step, we are going to install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. It turns your Visual Studio Code into a powerful Python IDE. First, start the Visual Studio Code from the applications. On Windows, you can start it from the search bar by typing Visual Studio Code. Click Help. Type extensions. Select extension. Search for Python and install this Python extension from Microsoft. Now the Python extension is installed. Let us create our first Python program. Select File, and then select New Text File. Python has a function called print that displays the text on the screen. Let me type print hello Python. Let us save this file. All Python programs have extension .py. Py stands for Python. I'm going to call it my first program.py. Now it is saved. Let us run this program by clicking on this triangle at the right top. You can see that Hello Python text is displayed. Sue! Congratulations on writing your first Python program. In the next video, we are going to learn more about variables in Python. Bye for now.